if you have to live one dream, then which one you want to live?
My first things which I want in my life these days, I see my child as a successful
Good
person.
evening.
Yeah, good evening. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. Thank you so much for asking. How about you?
Yeah, I'm as fit as fiddle.
Okay, that's great. Good to see you.
Yeah, yeah, same here.
Okay, please introduce yourself because we are meeting for the very first time, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah. So my name is Rimpi Chakravarti. I live in West Bengal. I am a homemaker and I am a mother of one kid. Simultaneously, I am a part-time YouTuber. Yeah, and if I talk about my hobbies, so I have quite a few number of hobbies. My hobbies are, I can say, they're listening to music, dancing, and these days reading hobby. Reading books also is my prime hobby.
Okay, that's great. Very good to know about you. Should I introduce myself?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay, as you know, my name is Susmita Kaushik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, I have done master in education subject. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a mother of one kid. And about my hobbies, I like to play badminton, reading books, cooking, and nowadays I love to talk with different peoples and know about their perspective. That's all about me.
So
Okay,
you,
first,
yeah, yeah, go ahead.
okay. First of all, I would like to know about why are you learning this language?
Okay. So yeah, so many people also like no ask me the same question that ma'am, why do you wanna learn this language? I can say that these days English is a very prominent for everyone because whenever we go anywhere, it's necessary to know this language. And if we don't know this language, it's difficult for us to communicate with each other. So that's why I can say that this is a it's very prominent to know this language, and it's a global language. And if we know this language, we can break the barrier very easily. Apart
Yeah.
from this, I am a mother of one kid, and these days all parents they send their child to English medium school. And when we send our child to English medium school, we attend PTM, and in PTM it must to speak with a teacher in English. So that's
Mainly,
why I can say that yeah,
yeah,
in
I
order
can.
yeah, that's why I'm learning this language. And if I talk about for job purpose in corporate sector, in private sector, if you know this language, so it's easy to get this job, get the job. That's why I'm learning this language.
Okay, that's great. Okay, maybe you have done your all education from Assamese medium, right?
Yes, Assamese and English.
Okay. You are from Assamese medium or English medium?
It was a half Assamese and half English in our time.
Okay. Okay.
And in I completed my elementary school. When I was in my elementary school, it was Bengali.
Okay, it was Bengali.
Yeah.
Okay,
But these
that's great.
days, I can say these days in Northeast, also they are Northeast. Yeah, Northeast CM changed their medium in. They converted medium into English. Nowadays, all schools are they follow English medium patterns, and in the English mediums, everything is in English these days.
Yeah, I did not check. Okay, no problem. Without wasting our time, shall I ask some question to you?
Yeah.
My first question is, what are the three special things you want in your life?
What are the three special things that I want in my life? Is
Yeah.
Wait, I think it's very interesting question. Okay. So actually, as a this I can say as a mother, that every parents they want they see their child as a successful person. So my first dream, my first things which I want in my life these days, I see my child as a successful person. I want to see my child as a successful person, which is my first priority. And the second thing, I can say that these days I'm learning this language and I have some dreams, but don't ask me what is my dream, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I have some dreams. So yeah, after I can say that 2 3 days, and these days I'm learning this language. So I want to be fluent in this language, and I wanna see uh, someone that like no homemaker also can do something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Third
third,
one.
third one. What did I say that? I can say that mm, I I want to be a independent,
Okay.
independent. Yeah.
If you have to live one dream, then which one you want to live from this three dream?
Okay. Yeah, definitely. I would choose first one.
You want to live first one?
Yes, because these days, yeah, I wanna see my son as a successful
No,
person.
I'm asking you if you have to live one, not choose. If you have to leave one, your list, right? Dream list. Then which one you want to live?
If I wanna talk, I never thought like that way. Honestly speaking,
Okay, you don't want to leave anything.
it's just yeah, no. If I
Okay,
wanna leave for anything that no, I never thought like that way.
okay, no problem. Okay, second number question is, in which position you want to see after 10 years yourself?
In myself, in which position I want to see? Yeah, definitely. I wanna see myself as a independent lady, and then I can say that like no, whenever I go, some people in my not my initial days, I can say that 2 3 years ago, I faced so many difficulties. I had to face so many problems, but after 5 years, or I can say that yeah, not 10 years, after 5 years I can say that no, I'm an independent, and those people who bullied me in 3 years or 2 years ago, they can when I go anywhere in front of them, so they can bow their head.
Oh, wow. That's great. That's great. Okay, another question is, in a week, which day you like most and why? In a
Okay,
week, there are 7 days, right? Then which day do you like most and why?
in which day? mm, Saturday. I don't know, but yeah, actually, since my childhood, I believe on God, and I believe on Sitlama. So when I was born and brought up in Northeast, so in my house there was one temple of Ma Sitlama. So since my childhood, I used when I was in my paternal house before getting married. So every Saturday I used to go to my temple every Saturday, and I said my prayer. And then I don't know, whatever I think and I get it, in the 2 days also I got, today is Saturday, and I got my Google AdSense. So it's, and everything what I want, I get it in Saturday most of the time. I don't know.
Okay.
That's why it's my lucky day. Even was I heard that some people they say that Saturday is unlucky for them, but for me Saturday is very lucky for them. And apart from this, I am a homemaker, so in Sundays school is closed every day. I get up early in the morning because I send my child to school. But in Saturday, I get like no, I get sleep late night because I know this tomorrow next day is Sunday, so
It's
I
happened with
can
everyone
sleep more. Yeah,
at Saturday. Yeah.
yeah.
If you
So that
ask
is
about, yeah, if you ask about me, which day I prefer to choose, then mostly I like Monday. I like
why do
Monday
you
because
like Monday?
Monday is we start our week from the Monday, right? And every task, if you want to start, then mostly people they prefer to start from the Monday. And I think Monday is a very energetic day and a very refreshment day because after doing hard work or after doing Monday to Saturday you do hard work. You have to go out and everything you do. Okay, then after that you get relaxed at Sunday. After relaxing, you will feel very energetic on Monday, right? Are very ready to go work or everything, you will very energetic and you are ready to tackle the every problems. So yeah, that's why I like this most. And another thing is I born at Monday, so
Okay.
that's why not that's why,
I
but
was
yeah,
I was born Saturday on Saturday. Yeah.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah, that's why I like most of Monday because it's I think in my personally everyone can start their work on Monday and they feel very energetic to do every task, they can handle everything because this day is very energetic and refreshed day after taking rest on Sunday. Yeah, that's why.
but I
Okay.
don't like Monday because I know that I am a yeah I can say that I'm not a early bird. So it's Monday to Friday. I get up early in the morning. So it's just like, oh my God, it's next day, it's Monday. I have to get up early in the morning and I don't love.
Okay. Yeah, I love Sunday as well because I can get time for with my family members. Yeah, but we should do our task as well, right? We have to return every day on our work, so we get time for ourselves as well with a fresh mind in Monday, right? Yeah, that's why I'm early bird. There is no problem to get up early in the morning.
Okay.
So
So at what
yeah.
time do you get up? Early in the morning?
Yeah, usually I get up before 4 a.m.
Before 4 a.m.
Yeah,
And at what time do you go to bed?
around 10:30.
Okay. I just like no, I sleep. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah, 11 p.m. and I sleep. I guess it's not a particular time, but a.m. 1 a.m. 1:30 a.m. So it's very quick. I don't know why it happens with me.
If you sleep late, then it's very hard to wake up, right? Early in the morning. Yeah, I can understand. Yeah, if I sleep late, then it is not possible for me also to get up early in the morning. Yes, that is also. And another question is there any special moment in your life you can't forget anymore?
Special moment in my life that I can't forget. Yeah,
Yeah.
when you can say the special moment. Special moment is when my son was born. So it was a very special moment for me, and
Yes.
yeah, I
Yeah.
can't forget it. It was a very special, and except it, I can say that there are lots of funny moment in my life, but except it, I don't have any special moment in my life.
Okay, yeah. We can say our marriage, special moment in our life.
No,
There
our
is a
marriage, I can't say that because I couldn't. I couldn't complete my study, and at that time, like no. So actually, yeah, my father fixed my marriage, because at that time in our family, my father's health condition was not good. So I have including me, I have two sisters. So we are three sisters and two brothers. So yeah, so my father at that time, my father fixed my marriage. No, anyhow, I have to get off. I have to. I would have to marry off you. So yeah, I can say that because I couldn't complete my graduation. I have some dreams, and I wanted to fulfill. I wanted to fulfill my dreams, but I couldn't do it. But yeah, if I talk about my son's born, it was a very beautiful moment in my life. Yeah.
definitely. It's happened with every mother, you know. If we ask every mother what is a special moment in your life, then definitely they share about this moment, this special moment, right? What they being a mother, they when they become a mother. Yeah.
Yes.
If you ask about me this question, then same answer I will give you.
So you
Because
will know. You will include one thing, that is your marriage. Your
sorry,
marriage. You will include one thing, that is your marriage and your. I think you have daughter and son.
yeah, I have son. He's three
Son.
and a half years.
Yes, three and a half. Oh, your son's birth and your marriage. Both these two things are very special moment for you.
Yeah, yeah, I can say this both special moment for me because this both, related to me. It happened by me. So
So
yeah,
does your husband belong to Northeast?
yeah. He also belonged to Northeast. He's doing job here as a teacher, government teacher.
As a government teacher, he is doing the. Okay. So you completed your study in Assamese medium or English?
Yeah, I have completed my graduation in Assamese medium. After that, I have complete my master in English medium.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, dear. We enjoy a lot, and yeah, it was some funny question I asked you, and you give answer also. You gave answer also. So thank you so much for connecting. I hope we will connect again.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Okay,
dear.
so yeah, I really enjoyed the conversation a lot, and I hope we will meet again
Yeah,
with
sure.
wonderful topic.
Yeah, sure. Okay, dear.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.